Hey guys, listen here, back for another video, and for today's video, I thought I'd open up the brand new V-Tins. So I got both the Tyranitar and the Empoleon V-Tins. Both, so a Rapid Strike and a Single Strike. So, you probably have gotten my handy dandy knife first to open these with. Okay. Can't really find much of what's in these tins. Well, I know obviously two of them are going to be at least battle styles. And probably, I want to say, like, Darkness Blaze. So, let's crack open the tins. The art in this set, though, is it's so nice. So, here's a Tyranitar. No. And here is the Empoleon. So then, code cards for you online players. Yeah. Let's find out what's. Yeah. So, let's put that there. So we got two battle styles. Yep, a Darkness Ablaze and a Sun and Moon Steam stage, which is pretty cool. I don't think I've actually opened up any of that set. Sun and Moon and Steam stage. So that's actually pretty cool. Oh no, it's not a moon, it's X and Y, sorry. So let's pop these here. Let's actually start with the X and Y. There's another code card for you guys. Yeah, I don't think I've really opened up much of these sets. Oh, hello. Wait, this is a shiny. What? I'm confused. What? Yeah, I've never opened up this set, so I have no idea what to really think, and seeing that Azumarill just kind of confused me a bit. Hey, Meowth. Oh, I know. I guess I have opened up one of these packs. Remember, I got one of these before. Okay. Dash, Nuzleaf, Clink, Ponyta, and Pattern. Oh, can't speak today. So yeah, I think so far, I think this had to be the most like surprise out of those packs. I have to actually, I'm gonna look up this card. I'm gonna look it up. Go look it up. I'm gonna go on to the Darkness Ablaze. Furt, oh, give us luck, Furt. Give us luck. Okay, we got a reverse hollow Gothita. And we got a Houndoom V. It's pretty nice. Like, they've got their game in like the foil, well, like the V's, the half art cards, or half art being like the V's. There's another code card for you guys. Now, if anything, I'm more excited to open up the battle styles, to be honest. because the battle styles have such an amazing artwork. Oh, Pansy. The Steel Elephant. I still hate this Pokemon. There's still 2 cards. What? Okay, I got a bit confused. I definitely did 3. I definitely did 4, didn't I? Yeah, because that's the energy. Okay, that was a bit confusing. Very confusing. Okay, and now for battle styles. The set I'm actually more hyped to open. That feels a bit... Okay, I can't actually open these up. I gotta get my scissors. Not liking that. There's far too much air in this. It's like loose. They're like loose packs. That's odd. There's the code. So, what can we open up first? A rapid strike Mifu, and the shield and sword Pokemon. And yes, I'm always making sure that I go at the very top, make sure I put all cards back just in case, because I don't want to cut open a pack and then cut through Pokemon. I never understood that trend on TikTok. Just didn't understand it. Can't wait for Gen 4. I know I keep saying it, but I'm so hyped for it. So hyped to stream it too. A reverse holo of the Shield and Sword Pokemon. And we have a full art. Oh, we have a Bruno full art. Actually, I'm gonna sleeve him up in these nice pink sleeves. Oh, one moment. Okay, back. So yeah, we pulled a full art Bruno, which is always a nice full art Bruno. A full art in the set that still look really good. And for the third, my scissors. There they are. So yeah, always make sure that I got enough room to cut them. Like the only card I don't mind cutting is this. The rest of the cards, yeah, I don't want anywhere to go near any sharp object. To open this set really reminds me of my Nuzlocke Twitch streams. If you guys didn't know, I stream on Tuesday, Wednesdays and Thursdays. At the moment, it's been a Pokemon Nuzlocke. I have started my second attempt after losing my first one when I got wiped by Alistair. First holo Honchkrow and a regular common Centiskorch. Last and final pack. What can we pull from this pack? You guys ever remember that new pack smell? Nostalgic, really. Opening cards when you're young. Oh. So, last card. What can we get? Can Furt give us some luck? Okay, so we had a Spitpa. I don't know how you even say this Pokemon. So our last card is a regular Dramper. Okay, in the end we pulled Houndoom V, and a full up Bruno, which in the end, at the end, I think I got pretty good. Like, I'm happy with the cards I pulled. So let me just organize these. There we go. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed me opening up all my both the tins of the new V tins. And I don't think I'm gonna be uploading for quite a while. I don't really have any videos planned until my Digimon stuff arrives. So stay tuned for some Digimon openings, because I'm planning on opening the Digimon Giga Green and the gonna be the new set. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to check my link in the description of my eBay, my Twitch, or my Facebook. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.